Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called task interleaving. Okay, it is an advanced productivity practice enabled by leading warehouse management system (WMS) in short, with a task management engine. Task interleaving is designed to reduce dead-ending. That is, when a worker, for example, picks product and drops them off at a dock and then returns to picking area without performing any useful task along the way. In most operations, some workers are dedicated to picking while others are dedicated to put away. Task interleaving is most common in operation with workers that have permission to do both. So instead of selector returning all the way across the warehouse to a pick zone that may stop. They may stop at a nearby receiving dock, pick up a pallet for put away, and then store it in a location near the next pick occurs. Task interleaving does not just change the way floor level employees do their job, it also changes their things for their managers, particularly shipping coordinators. Task interleaving works best at larger facility where more tasks can queue up in the task management rules engine. A project manager explained to me that earlier to interleaving, the guys at the dock knew that once a truck was loaded, they needed to bring their paperwork to a manager and get new work to do. Now, however, if the task queue is empty, workers tend to slip outside to the smoke or talk. Shipping coordinator need to monitor the docks more proactively than they did it in the past. Further task interleaving may require changes in scheduling, layout, and flow to maximize the productivity gains as much as possible. If your warehouse does put away during the day and picks and ships at the night, your productivity gains are apt to be more limited. You might still interleave cycle counting with put away and certain things which can happen parallelly. Also, a warehouse layout that has receiving docks on the one side and shipping docks on the other is not as conducive to productivity gain from a layout that has few dedicated receiving docks next to a dedicated shipping docks. The company's new DCs have dock doors only on one side of the warehouse, and any dock can be used for receiving or shipping. To use a statistic term, company has built more degrees of freedom into its layout. In conclusion, pundits have talked about a decade back, but I started come across a warehouse that actually implemented it very recently. Task interleaving can be a great way to improve productivity, particularly the pallet moves, but change management must be addressed carefully to make this process very effective. Thanks for watching. Bye.